Hi, folks. Adam Smith here again with another Monday Measure. Opportunity for me to share some thoughts with you, some observations, and some information about the economic week ahead. First and foremost, tomorrow we've got some really important news coming out. We're going to have inflation data. Right now, we're at 8.1% year over year. The analysts are, I think, suggesting that that's not going to change at all, that tomorrow's numbers should be flat. However, they do think that the core number will be up by 3 or 4 tenths of a percentage point. So that's interesting. Personally, I think the inflation numbers could be a lot higher. It'll be interesting to see if I'm right. I hope I'm not, but I think inflation's here. I think it's here to stay, and I think it's going higher. And even though we've seen oil prices tick back some and energy costs tick back, I still think core inflation is real and going to continue higher until the Fed gets control over things. Other things to share with you: the markets were up a little bit today, maybe 1%, 1.25%. I think the market's just sort of holding its breath for tomorrow's inflation data. The other concern for me, though, is when I look at some headline news. I'm looking at Bloomberg right now. Big headline says the world's hottest housing markets are facing a painful reset. I seem to remember this from back in 2007, 2008. We saw news like this. Goldman plans to cut several hundred jobs starting this month. Citigroup cuts dozens of mortgage staffers after the housing market slows. Credit Suisse weighs cutting thousands of jobs in a turnaround bid. Wall Street bonuses poised to plunge following a slowdown in deals. So, that doesn't sound too good to me. It sounds like Wall Street is starting to cut back. They're not making the money they were, whether it's because of a changing, perhaps declining housing market or other things on the horizon. None of these headlines bode well for markets. So if these are issues you're concerned about, if things I'm talking about resonate with you, there are ways to take advantage of this information and protect your wealth. Click on the link below and schedule some time with me, or pick up the phone and just give me a call, and we will make sure we've set aside some time to talk about your situation. I hope I have an opportunity to speak with each and every one of you.